Welcome to this gentle evening breathwork practice to unwind, soothe the nervous system and come back into your body after a really long day. Before we begin, wherever you are, just maybe take a moment to set the mood. You might want to light a candle or maybe bring in a soothing scent that you love, something that feels calming and grounding to you. If you're practicing indoors, you might want to dim the lights. Just really allow this moment to feel extra soft and nourishing for the senses. And in this space, come into a comfortable seated position, either cross-legged on the ground, sat on your heels, or seated on a chair. Just make sure your spine is tall and supported, no strain. Sit on a cushion or a blanket if you need to elevate the hips above the knees for more comfort. Let the pelvis be grounded, relax the shoulders away from the ears. The chin is parallel to the ground. Soften the face, the temples, the jaw. Let your hands rest gently on your knees and slowly bring your eyes to a close. And take a moment in this space to set an intention for this practice. I can give you a little prompt if you want. You can maybe ask yourself, what did I learn today that can inform how I would like this evening to feel, and maybe even the days and the weeks ahead? Just ponder on this and hold your intention in silence for a very short moment. And while keeping this intention close, let's now transition into our pranayama breathwork practice. We'll begin with alternate nostril breathing, also called nadi shuddhi or nadi shodana. This breath balances both hemispheres of the brain, it clears mental fog and soothes the nervous system, so it's perfect to unwind at the end of the day. So bring your right hand into Vishnu Mudra. Index and middle fingers gently fold and rest in towards your palm. We'll use the thumb to close the right nostril and the pinky and ring finger to close the left. All of this while keeping the shoulders relaxed and the elbow stays tucked in towards the body. The left hand can stay rested on your left knee in Yan Mudra, thumb and index fingers touching with the palm facing down to ground. And as we breathe evenly with this breath, gently draw your inner attention in towards the space between your eyebrows on your third eye point to keep a certain level of groundedness and focus. Close the right nostril with the thumb and inhale slowly and softly through the left on 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the left, release the right and exhale through the right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inhale through the right on 1, 2, 3, 4. Close right and release the left and exhale through the left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's one full round. So let's do 5 more of these together. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4, close left, release right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4, close right, release left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Final round. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And release your left hand back down. Let both hands rest gently on your knees in Yin Mudra. And just notice any extra stillness and balance that you might have just created for yourself in silence for a very short moment. And let's now practice the 4-7-8 breath. This breath slows down the heart rate, releases tension, and prepares the mind for deep rest. All you have to do is follow this pattern. Inhale for 4, retain the breath for 7, and exhale for 8. So let's practice one slow round together. Inhale really gently through the nose, breathing deep into the belly and up through the whole body, spreading the oxygen large and wide. On 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold at the top for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, settling deeper into rest. And exhale gently and slowly through the nose for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Letting everything go. And just repeat this really simple pattern for the next couple of minutes, listening to your own rhythm, but still be really intentionally slow with it. So just enjoy the silence and the nature soundscapes and just get lost in your breath for a moment. And let go of the breath, let it return to its natural rhythm, and feel your nervous system settling, and stay with this spaciousness you've created for yourself in silence for a very short moment, letting everything integrate. Now bring your hands to the area of your body that feels really tired or tense after this long day. Maybe it's the eyes from excess screen time, the shoulders or the neck from holding on to too much stress, the jaw, the scalp, really anywhere. Just really listen to your body for a moment and begin to massage this area intuitively in small circles with soft pressure or even gentle tapping. Do what feels best to you. And you don't need to fix anything. You don't need to fix this area. You're just bringing extra love and care to this area. That's it. Letting your body really know that it's safe to slow down now. And continue to take deep belly breaths in this space. And now place both hands over your heart, or one on your heart and one on your belly. And take one last deep breath in through the nose, really deep into the belly. Move it up the whole body. Hold at the top. Maybe take an extra little sip of air. And sigh it out through the mouth with a sound. Do this 2 more times at your own pace to really let any extra tension go. And now come back to the intention you set earlier and let this intention and this quiet moment nourish the rest of your evening and your week ahead. And begin to bring movement back into the body. Maybe roll the shoulders back away from the ears a few times. Sway the spine, gently rocking side to side. Stretch in any way that feels good. Move intuitively, really slowly. Or even shake it out quite quickly if that feels good also to you. And blink your eyes open back to this moment and let the rest of your evening reflect this moment. Maybe you can read a book, move to your favourite music, go on a silent walk, or even just lie down and be. Just gift yourself an evening away from screens. You've done enough for today. And if you get overwhelmed at some point throughout the week again by distractions, just allow yourself to revisit this space throughout the week. This video will always be here for you. And there'll be a new soothing practice posted next Sunday, as always. If you enjoyed this practice, feel free to like this video, leave a comment down below on how it made you feel, and subscribe if you want to practice more. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I wish you a beautiful and restful night. Bye guys.